Hi everyone. In this video, let us see exercise 2.4. In exercise 2.4, questions are based on finite set and infinite set. If a set has a finite number of elements, we call it as a finite set. If a set has infinite number of elements, it is called infinite set. Now let us see the first question. First question is based on empty set. State which of the following sets are empty and which are not. The first one, the set of lines passing through a given point. When a point is given, we can draw infinite number of lines through this point. So the set of lines passing through a given point is not empty. Not empty. Second one, the set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers are those numbers which give remainder 1 when divided by 2. So they are not divisible by 2. So we want odd natural numbers divisible by 2. So it is an empty set. Empty. Third one, the set of all x such that x is a natural number, x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. X should be less than 5. That means maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are less than 5. X should be greater than 7. That is 8, 9, 10, etc. So we want a number satisfying both these conditions. So there is no such number satisfying both these conditions. So it is an empty set. Empty set. Fourth one, x is such that x is a common point to any parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet. There is no common point for any two parallel lines. So this set is an empty set. Fifth one, the set of even prime numbers. The prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Except 2, all the prime numbers are odd prime numbers. We have only one even prime number. 2 is the only one even prime number. The set of even prime numbers is 2. Set having 2. So this is not empty. Question number 2. State whether the following sets are finite or infinite. We have to check whether the number of elements are finite or infinite, and state that the sets are finite or infinite. The set of months in a year. In a year, there are 12 months. So it is finite. Then set having elements 1, 2, 3, etc. 99, 100. So it is a finite number up to 100. So we have 100 elements only. So this is a finite set. So we should not confuse with this one, continuous symbol. This is a finite set. The third one, the set of prime numbers smaller than 99. Set of prime numbers smaller than 99. So it should start from 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. And we should end with a number less than 99. Say 97, so up to 97. So it is a set of finite elements. So it is a finite set. Next one, the set of letters in English alphabet. The set of letters in English alphabet. There are only 26 letters in English alphabet, so it is also finite. So we have got all the sets as finite sets up to this. Then fifth one, the set of lines that can be drawn parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis, we can write any number of lines. So it is infinite set. The set of numbers which are multiples of 5. The multiples of 5 start with 5. So 5, 10, 15, the list continues. So it is infinite. The set of circles passing through the origin 0, 0. It is a point 0, 0. Set of circles passing through origin. So let us take it here. Set of circles passing through this. So we can draw any number of circles. So this set is also infinite. See you in next video.